Lo had to come rescue me because I was stuck at Cripes and panicking, just panicking. And she's my bestie, so she came to save me. Does anybody see this weather? Because...
oh, I already gave him the scoop.
it's out of control. Oh, you're so cute with the wall.
Oh.
That's a bestie booey, that's what you see right there.
Okay, so today Lo and I are depressed because it's snowing outside. Doing well now that we're
Together.
We're about to film.
What if we just did a vlog outside in the snow and took pictures?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can do it right here with like the trees and snow in the background.
Yeah. Hold please. McCoy. Hi baby. What's up boy? He has been chilling. He romped in the snow this morning. He was running all around. Okay. He was chilling. Do you see this? Nonsense. Nonsense. Absolute nonsense. What about us? What about us?
I just want to know if you got a ceiling titty too.
Is that a ceiling titty?
Yeah.
A ceiling titty? I didn't know Cripe had one. Shh. Wait, so now we're doing stuff in the snow?
Well, I was thinking, look. If we put the camera right here or take pictures, we can do it right on the brake part and have the snow in the background. I kind of want to do a forearm stand right there.
It's so cold.
I know.
And scary.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Okay, go for it. Lo's going first because I'm being a bit. I loved those.
It's really not bad.
Okay. Okay. Can I wear that sweater?
Yeah. Shh. McCoy, shush. It looks cute with those pants.
Does it?
Yeah, they're good colors together. We made it. We're still alive.
Oh yeah.
Even in the
pretty cold
cold.
out. But when you start doing yoga outside, then it's not so cold anymore because you get all sweaty.
I
I'm all sweaty. I'm all sweaty.
Okay, what should we do now? More pics?
More pics or more vids because I like taking the vids.
I think it's time for a time lapse.
Time lapse.
What's going on, ladies?
Get off there.
Okay, more is falling in. I gotta go.
Help.
I feel shoes.
The snow. My hat. My hat. My hat. Lo's hat. Oh my god. The snow is wild. We are expected to get 7 inches today,
I feel like
right?
we've already gotten it, yeah.
Yeah, we've probably already gotten it. This is classic Indiana weather for you. It was just, what, like 50 last week? We're gonna listen to some music,
Box?
so
Copyrighted box?
yeah, we have to go because, you know, you can't hear those jams.
Nope.
Can't hear that shit. Okay.
It's just the snow.
This is why I'm not driving today.
Oh yes. The snow is in the driveway and loud.
I'm so scared.
Why are you scared?
Because
I'm ready. Oh, sorry. It's just super touchy because I think all that shit's like packed up in my car.
pray for me and my son.
So no big deal.
Okay, really gotta go because we're in a crisis.
No, subscribe my
My
5 minutes.